Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good and fine. So today I'm gonna show you how to set up and invite and set up Sapphire bot on your Discord server. So it's basically used for readme purposes, like for a server, like server map. Okay, like a server map. So before they go to explore all the things, when they read that, they'll get a small idea what is that. So we're gonna create that. So for a just small idea, I'm gonna go to my server and I'm gonna show you what is Sapphire bot and how it looks like. So let me open my Discord app. If you have a Discord app, you can open. If you have using in a web browser, you can open that also. So I'm gonna go to my server. In my server, there's a thing called readme. So this is Sapphire bot. This is how it looks. Okay, so this is gonna be server map. Okay, social links, like that. This only be seen by me or other people who click on this. So I'm gonna start doing that. So for that, I'm gonna open my web browser. Okay, in my web browser, I'm gonna type Sapphire bot. Okay, the first link I'll leave the link down below in the description. So I'm gonna open Sapphire bot and let me close this. So I'm logging as PC SPL. So this is my server. So I'm gonna choose this server called the server for video. Okay, in here I'm gonna click on continue to authorize Sapphire bot and authorize. Asking, wait, are you a human? I'm gonna click yeah, I'm a human, and I'm gonna click each containing crab, and I'm gonna verify. So I have verified. It's going on to do this work. So you can get Sapphire bot for free. So I'm using the free option. So in here, for look like this to look like this, okay, the readme look like this, I'm just gonna use two main thing called first I'm gonna create a new channel. Okay, then I'm gonna use the option called messages and components. Okay, so let me just create a channel called, okay, wait, let me see. I'm gonna create a channel called read me. So why I'm using this in a announcement, this why I'm using that in announcement call. It just select the permission, so I don't need to do. Okay, let me just see permissions. Yeah, it did all the things. So let me just close this, and I'm gonna drag this into under rules. Okay, and let me see whether the permission is same. Yeah, it is. So I have the readme channel. So in here I'm gonna click on the messages option. Okay, in templates we are not gonna focus on default messages but templates. So I'm gonna name a template called main. Okay, main, and I'm gonna click on main. I'm gonna edit, like I'm gonna clear, and I'm gonna do a plus for embed. Author name is CWS computer working system. Okay, title test server for video. Description, Oh no. Okay. Oops. Say the server for video, and I'm gonna click save changes. So I'm gonna click on option called use, and I'm gonna click a channel. I'm gonna click a channel. Okay, it didn't refresh, so let me just close and open it again. If it's refreshed, dude, are literally serious? Okay, let me just refresh the whole page itself. So I'm gonna open main and use, and I'm gonna click select, and there it is, read me, and I'm gonna send a message. So when I go here, this is how it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this, by the way. Okay, so I'm gonna open my web browser again, and I'm gonna create another template called okay, what should I name it? Like server map. Great. Open here, clear ml, same as, okay, maybe same, the server for video, the server for video, the server for video. Okay, it's just for your understanding, guys. I'm gonna put like hello, hi. Okay, just for us example, and I'm gonna save changes. So this is the server map. Okay, you should type. Okay, so this is the server map. Okay, or what I'm gonna do is, for your reference, I'm just gonna take that thing off. I'm gonna go to my server and I'll try to copy that. Okay, in server, or let me just copy this itself, guys. Okay, so it'll be a good understanding also. Okay, I didn't think of this idea, so now only I got it. Okay, so let me just close. Oh my god, let me just close this, and let me just copy this. Let me just copy this, and I'm gonna save changes. So in server map also, I'm just gonna go for my Discord server map. In server map, I'm just gonna copy the whole thing. I'm gonna paste it. If you want, you can type it also, guys. I'm gonna paste it, and I'm gonna save changes. And for server map, I'm gonna keep a thing called like green color. Save changes and go save. Okay, so I got the server map. So we need a button. Okay, if I go here, if I go to edit, and if I gonna click an action row, and if I click a button, there's no action, guys. So I'm gonna close this. Oh my god, reset. So I'm gonna go into component section. Okay, in component section, I'm gonna create a new button called server map. In here, action is send message. The template is gonna be server map, and I'm gonna save changes. So this is the first component we have created. So let me go to messages again. I click on main, and let me just go to edit and click on action row and click on button, and the button is action is gonna be server map. We got it. In color, I'm gonna put it red. Okay, and save changes. So let me also create an any other templates, and the same thing I'm gonna copy from my server. So I don't know whether the video is gonna be short. If it's gonna be short, you'll see in same, but if the video is gonna be long, I'm gonna put it in time lapse, guys. So or else I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna see how much minutes my video came. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Got it. Now how much minutes it came. Okay, so if you don't know, guys, I'm using a recording software called OBS. Okay, it's a nice software. I'll give the link down below to download that also. So this is not gonna be a sponsor kind of thing. It's just, I'm just telling it's a nice software to record. Okay, if you have a low end PC also. So So okay, so okay, I'm gonna create a new template called what a new template will be. Maybe let me just go see in my server, create me social links. Okay, social links. Okay guys, let me just go on social links. Yeah, and I have the social link. I'm gonna copy this new link, create social link, clear, social description is gonna be this, save changes. And for another also I'm gonna use Discord invite and rules also. Okay, so please join my Discord also guys, it'll be very helpful for you. Okay, you'll get more ideas what is a computer, how a computer works, and many new videos. Okay, so okay, let me just create a new thing for Discord invite also. Discord invite, let me create, let me open this, let me go here, clear, enable, invite, and I'm gonna go into my server again, once again, come down, and I'm gonna copy this, paste it, save changes. The last I'm gonna create thing called rules. Okay, same as if you want to create more, you can also create more. So for rules, I'm just gonna go to not my server, because I have rules in my the server for video. So I'm just gonna copy that. You know guys, I just literally copied the same rules from my server also. So let me just copy this again and clear, and I'm gonna put it again, paste, rules. Okay, done. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into components again. So I'm just gonna see how much I have. Maybe like I have already created server maps, social links, Discord invite, and rules. Okay, got it. Oh my god, why it's refreshing by itself. Okay, a social link, Discord invite, and rules. Okay. Links, send message, template, social links, save, create, rules, create, action, send message, template, rules, save, and Discord invite, create, action is gonna be send messages again, and Discord invite, and save changes. So I'm gonna just hop on again to the messages option. In here I'm gonna go into the main template. In here I'm gonna go to edit, and label is gonna be server map, button, select action is gonna be social links, button, color is gonna be green, green, rules or Discord invite. I'm gonna choose another row called button, and this row is gonna be for rules, and the color is gonna be all of you. Okay, great. Okay, all done. So I'm gonna save changes. So I'm gonna go to the use option again. I'm gonna click on the channel and I'm gonna send it in readme, and I'm gonna send it in 3 2 1. Let's go. Done. And in readme the message has been sent. Because this is the same output as my original CWS computing system server. So I forgot to change the role to bot for this also. So yeah guys, so I'll show the test for you. Server map, only you can see. Social links, only you can see. And Discord invite also you can only see. And for rules, only you can also see. So this will not like a mess around, because it's just you can only see. Okay, and you can also dismiss the message. So I hope this video will be very helpful for you. If it is, share it with other friends who don't know what is Sapphire about, how it works, and how to set it up. So see you in the next one guys. Until then, bye from Ellen Joshua. See you in the next video. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading